Hey, welcome back to Wireless Solutions.
Today, I am showing you how to scan documents on Android phone using Google Drive. And trust me, it is so easy. No need for extra apps, no hassle. Plus, I will show you how to share your scanned docs via email, text, and Google Drive. Ready? Let's do this. Step 1. Open Google Drive and find the scan feature. First things first, let's open Google Drive. Look for the Google Drive app on your phone. It is the triangle icon with green, blue, and yellow. Tap it, and once inside, hit the plus button at the bottom right. You'll see a few options. Tap Scan. It has a little camera icon. Boom. Now we are ready to scan. Step 2. Capture your document. Now grab the document you want to scan and place it on a flat, well-lit surface. Hold your phone steady and take a picture. If it looks great, tap OK. If not, tap Cancel and try again. No worries. Google Drive automatically converts it into a crisp, clean scan, but let's make it look even better. Step 3. Edit and adjust your scan. Alright, let's fine-tune this scan. You'll see some handy tools at the bottom of the screen. Color mode. Choose color, black and white, or grayscale for the best look. Rotate. Fix it if it is upside down or sideways. Crop. Adjust the edges so you don't miss a thing. Take a second to perfect it. Then hit Done when you are happy. Step 4. Add more pages. Need to scan multiple pages into one document? No problem. Tap the plus button at the bottom left. Snap another photo and repeat the steps. When you are done, all pages will be saved as a single PDF. This is perfect for school notes, contracts, or multi-page reports. Step 5. Save as a PDF. Now let's save this bad boy. Tap Save, then give your file a name, like Resets or Notes. Google Drive automatically saves it as a PDF file. Nice and professional. Choose where to store it, your Google Drive or a specific folder. And just like that, your scan is saved. Step 6. Find and share your document. Alright, time to share your document. Finding your document, tap the 3 lines in the top left. Go to Recent Items and your new scan should be right at the top. Sharing options. Method 1. Tap the 3 dots next to the file and select Share to send it through Google Drive. Method 2. Open the file, tap the 3 dots in the top right, then select Send a copy to share via email, Bluetooth, or messaging apps. And just like that, your document is on its way. And that's it. You are officially a scanning pro. Quick recap. Scan documents easily with Google Drive. Edit, rotate, and adjust for the perfect scan. Save as a PDF and share it in seconds. If you found this video helpful, please hit the like button, share it with a friend, and subscribe to Wireless Solutions for more awesome tech tips. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to catch you into the next video. Bye for now.